Tech Tip Thursday. Let's Brix the UF1 valve. So we've got our S. It fits right up inside. If he's giving you trouble, it's not fitting up in there or it keeps falling down, you can heat up this piece right there, and that'll usually help. Usually I'll keep like a cup of hot water with me if I need it, and then that usually helps hold it. Next thing we need to do, we need to run this so we have product in the tube and out of the head. You don't want to measure the missing amount. All of our products are a 5-to-1 ratio, so we just go in like that, and we're going to bring the two up together. Now what we really want to do is we want to try to avoid, I don't think you'll be able to see it, so if you look, our measurements are way off. So we're going to actually adjust our flavor here. So the left side is our carb, and the right side is our flavor. So we're going to adjust our right side in and out. In increases flow, out decreases flow. So we need to decrease our flow. And we really want to try to only adjust our flavor if possible and not adjust our carb. Or I guess water as well. This also affects the water. Alright. You can see we are getting closer. Need a little bit more. Closer. We can get it better though. We'll actually add a little bit. We shot past by a hair. Bit yet. This one's really finicky. Sometimes they'll have that where it's just right there. We've already gotten this far, so you might as well take the time to do this. And one extra thing to keep in mind while you're brixing, remember to let your product cool down in that cold plate. You really shouldn't be brixing a warm soda. I think I increased a little bit too much. There we go. Much better. So there we go. We are set to go. The last step that I always have, first I'll take your S-bend off, and then I always sample my product just to make sure that at the end it's actually what we want it to taste like. So in this case, we have a Pepsi Zero. Make sure it pours right. And it tastes like Pepsi Zero. The other key thing is, remember, you have to have your diffusers in good repair. So if you hook up and things just aren't going right, things aren't mixing right, and they're not separating correctly with the separator, you probably have a bad diffuser. So it's important that the UF1 valve itself is in good repair before you start actually working on your brixing. So hopefully this helps you out. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Thank you.